Welcome to Kiddo Giggle and Grow, a happy home for little learners.
Catch.
Catch. Catch. Catch means to grab something that is moving toward you, like a ball or toy. It requires quick hands, good timing, and focus so the object doesn't fall or slip away.
Run.
Run. Run. Run means to move your legs very quickly to travel faster than walking. People run for exercise, games, races, or fun. It helps build strong muscles, speed, and healthy energy.
Jump.
Jump. Jump. Jump means to push off the ground with your legs and lift your body into the air. People jump in sports, games, or excitement, landing safely back on their feet afterward.
Walk.
Walk. Walk. Walk means to move forward by taking steps slowly and steadily. It is the most common way people travel short distances and stay active without using too much energy.
Swim.
Swim. Swim. Swim means to move your body through water using your arms and legs. People swim for fun, exercise, and safety. It helps build strength and is useful for exploring waters safely.
Climb.
Climb. Climb. Climb means to move upward by using your hands and feet to hold onto something, like stairs, trees, or rocks. It builds strength, balance, and helps you reach higher places safely.
Crawl.
Crawl. Crawl. Crawl means to move on your hands and knees instead of walking. Babies crawl before they walk, and people crawl under low spaces or during games when standing is not possible.
Slide.
Slide. Slide. Slide means to move smoothly across a surface without lifting your body completely. Kids slide on playgrounds, and objects slide when pushed across ice, floors, or slippery areas.
Throw.
Throw. Throw. Throw means to use your arm to send something into the air or toward a target. People throw balls, toys, or objects in games, sports, or everyday tasks requiring distance.
Kick.
Kick. Kick. Kick means to hit something using your foot. People kick balls in sports, push objects away, or practice kicking for exercise, martial arts, or improving leg strength and coordination.
Hit.
Hit. Hit. Hit means to strike something with force using your hand, tool, or object. People hit balls in sports or tap objects to make them move, making sure to stay safe while doing it.
Push.
Push. Push. Push means to use your hands or body to move something away from you. People push doors, boxes, toys, or heavy objects to create movement, build strength, and complete simple tasks.
Pull.
Pull. Pull. Pull means to use your hands or body to bring something closer to you. People pull ropes, drawers, bags, or objects when they need to move things backward or toward themselves.
Carry.
Carry. Carry. Carry means to hold and move something from one place to another. People carry bags, toys, books, or groceries using their hands, arms, or even backpacks for easier transport.
Build.
Build. Build. Build means to put pieces together to create something new, like houses, towers, machines, or crafts. It involves planning, using tools, and working carefully to make strong, useful items.
Cut.
Cut. Cut. Cut means to divide or shape something using a sharp tool like scissors or a knife. People cut paper, food, or materials carefully to avoid accidents while making clean shapes.
Hold.
Hold. Hold. Hold means to keep something in your hand or arms without letting it go. People hold objects gently or tightly depending on the situation, keeping them safe, steady, and controlled.
Turn.
Turn. Turn. Turn means to rotate or change direction by moving your body or an object. People turn doorknobs, steering wheels, or themselves when walking, driving, or switching to a new direction.
Roll.
Roll. Roll. Roll means to move something by spinning it forward or backward across a surface. Balls roll easily, and people roll objects in games, cooking, or when moving around items.
Bend.
Bend. Bend. Bend means to lower or curve part of your body by folding at the joints. People bend to pick things up, stretch, tie shoes, or reach objects on the ground.
Shout.
Shout. Shout. Shout means to speak very loudly so others far away can hear you. People shout to warn, call someone, cheer, or express strong emotions in a powerful, clear voice.
Sing.
Sing. Sing. Sing means to use your voice to create musical sounds and melodies. People sing songs for fun, celebration, or relaxation. It helps express feelings and brings joy to listeners.
Dance.
Dance. Dance. Dance means to move your body to music in rhythmic and creative ways. People dance at parties, celebrations, or performances. It is fun, expressive, and helps build fitness and coordination.
Drive.
Drive. Drive. Drive means to control and operate a vehicle like a car, truck, or bus. People drive to travel, work, or visit places using steering, pedals, and careful attention to roads.
Ride.
Ride. Ride. Ride means to sit on or inside something that moves, like a bike, horse, car, or scooter. People ride for travel, fun, or exercise while staying balanced and safe.
Swing.
Swing. Swing. Swing means to move back and forth smoothly while hanging from a rope or bar. Kids swing at playgrounds, and objects swing in the wind. It feels relaxing and exciting at the same time.
Dig.
Dig. Dig. Dig means to move soil, sand, or dirt using hands or tools like shovels. People dig holes for planting, building, or exploring the ground to find buried objects.
Speak.
Speak. Speak. Speak means to use your voice to share thoughts, ideas, or information with others. People speak in conversations, classrooms, or presentations to communicate clearly and express feelings.
Listen.
Listen. Listen. Listen means to pay attention to sounds or someone's voice with focus. People listen to music, instructions, or conversations to understand, learn, and respond correctly.
Clap.
Clap. Clap. Clap means to hit your hands together to make a sound. People clap to cheer, celebrate, show support, or keep rhythm with music during performances and fun activities.
Laugh.
Laugh. Laugh. Laugh means to make a happy sound when something is funny or joyful. People laugh during jokes, games, or silly moments. Laughing helps relieve stress and brings positive energy.
Cry.
Cry. Cry. Cry means to let tears fall when you feel sad, hurt, emotional, or sometimes very happy. People cry to express feelings, release stress, or respond to strong emotions.
Scream.
Scream. Scream. Scream means to make a very loud, high sound when scared, surprised, hurt, or extremely excited. People scream in emergencies or thrilling moments like rides and games.
Cheer.
Cheer. Cheer. Cheer means to shout happily to support, celebrate, or encourage someone. People cheer at sports events, performances, or special occasions to show excitement and positive energy.
Hug.
Hug. Hug. Hug means to wrap your arms around someone to show love, comfort, or support. People hug family and friends during happy moments, greetings, or when giving emotional care.
Touch.
Touch. Touch. Touch means to place your hand or fingers gently on something to feel its shape, texture, or temperature. People touch objects to explore, comfort others, or interact physically.